In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Magic Eraser here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to use and it's going to help if you want to erase something out of an image that you have. So I have this just here, which I created with AI. It's called The Fox Who Collected Smiles. Now, as we can see just here, we actually have some errors that I'd like to erase. Now what we're going to do is click onto the image, we're going to come up to edit just here, and then we're going to use Magic Eraser. Now please be aware that Magic Eraser is a Canva Pro feature, so you do need a Canva Pro account to actually use this. But nonetheless, once we click on there, this is where we can start erasing. Now we can use the brush, or we can do one click. Now for most instances, the brush is going to be what you want to use. Now we can play around with the brush size as well. So if we hover over this, we can see the circle, that's the brush size. If we increase this brush size, that circle is going to increase as well. But now what we want to do, let's just make that a little bit smaller actually, is just highlight over what you want to erase. So I'm going to highlight these letters just here, just like that. And then all that I have to do is click on erase. It's going to give it a second, and then that's going to be erased. Now, if you have a little error like that, that's not too much of an issue. We can simply highlight that again, click erase, and then that should solve the problem. Now, if we come down, let's just scroll down the page. So let's just make that a bit bigger. Let's do this part as well. So we're going to highlight over what it is that we want to erase, just like that. We're going to click erase, and then that should do a pretty good job at taking that out of the picture, just like that. Then we can click the cross, and now we've gone back to this. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to use the Magic Eraser here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.